Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to discuss about the changes in R12 that we have. The important changes would be the technology stack that the 826 Oracle Home and the IIS Oracle Home has been replaced by Oracle Application Server 10.1.2 and 10.1.3. The components of 10.1.3 would be OC4J, that is Oracle Component for Java, OPMN, Oracle Process Manager Notification Server, and OHS, Oracle Notification Server. They have introduced the INST top. R12 introduced this new top as INST top. It contains the configuration files, log files, etc. It makes the middle time managed more easily. Autoconfig no longer writes anything to Apple Top and Oracle Home. Everything is written to the INST top. As a result, Apple Top and Oracle Home can be made read-only file system. Oracle Process Manager is responsible for starting, stopping, restarting, monitoring the services it manages. It includes death detection and automatic restart of the processes. JServe has been replaced by OC4J. It contains a web container to support services like JSP and servlets. So this is what we have about the basics of R12, the new changes of R12. Now, what we can do is that we can discuss about the file system of R12. On the file system, we have the DB side, and the DB we have the app stack and the tech stack. On the DB app stack, we have the data on which it contains the CRD file, that is the control file, creative log files, and the data files. Then we have the tech stack. Inside tech stack, we have the Oracle Home for Oracle 10G database. Coming to the application side, we have the app stack and apps folder. On the apps folder, we have the app stack, and inside it, we have the Apple. And inside the Apple, we have the Apple Top, that it contains the product directories files for Oracle application. It contains a consolidated environment file. It also contains FND, admin, and AU. So in apps, we have the app stack, Apple, and we have the Apple, that is the Apple Top. We have the common top and FND, AU, and on the common tab we have the admin, Java underscore pages, util, HTML. Under tech stack, apps tech stack, we have 10.1.2 and 10.1.3. The 10.1.2, it contains the Oracle Home used by the application technology stack tool components. 10.1.3, it contains the Oracle Home for application technology stack Java components. We also have the INST stop. Under INST stop, we have admin script, that is used for starting and stopping of the application, admin install, log out. Then we have the Apple. Under Apple, we have the secure, that is we have the DBC file. We also have the XML file located in the Apple. We have Aura. Under Aura, we have 10.1.2, and under 10.1.2, we have bin, forms with app CGI, environment file, network admin reports, and 10.1.3, we have the configuration file related to Apache, and over there we have conf. We also have OPMN, XML, and J2EE Oracle. All the log files are also located in INST stop, except AD utilities log file, that is located in Apple Top admin SID log. So this is about the file system of R12. You will understand it better if you install R12 and if you go through these locations. Now let's discuss about OPMN. What is OPMN? We already discussed that OPMN is responsible for starting, stopping, restarting, and monitoring the services it manages. It's also responsible for death detection and automatic restart. The services that are being managed by OPMN is HTTP server, Oracle, Forms, OAFM. Now the final part of this R12 is what are the advantages of shifting from 11i to R12. The first thing is that it came with a unified Apple Top. It means everything is laid on the servers. From the Apple Top perspective, all the servers on a multi-node environment will have the same files and can start any services if needed. For example, on node 1 we have Forms and Web, and on node 2 we have Concurrent Manager. If we use start all script, it will start our forms and web. But unlike 11i, we need to start Concrete Manager on node 1 by giving cmctl.sh. The next thing is that fnd nodes in R12, it will have all the nodes as yes. To change the password for apps and Applesets, we no need to change the file in 11. No need to change the file. I mean to say in 11i we need to manually check the file or change it in wdbr/sbr.app. Over here it will automatically. We no need to do it, and also only recommended to run autoconfig. Cloning from multi-node to single node, we don't need to merge AppleTop in R12 as it was in 11i. Cloning from multi-node application install, we need to install only copy from any one AppleTop to the target system. Simple SSL configuration is there, and no report server in R12. Report server became obsolete and the form server is servlet. So this is all about R12. The best way of to practice this is that to install R12 and check what is the new file system, go to the file location, go to the log file location, and compare it with your previous versions of 11i. If you have any queries, do get in touch with me. I will be more than happy to assist you. Thanks a lot for your time.